Welcome back, cuties. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay, today we are going to see our English class story number 5. Okay, and we are also going to do an activity long eye. Okay, so before completing this page, I will tell you what is long eye. In the previous classes, we saw about long A, long E. Now we are going to see about long I. Okay, how we will pronounce the sound of long I. Okay, I will tell you how. So, all of you take page number 40 in your little tikka. This is the page which we are going to complete. Before going to complete this page, I will explain you what is long I. Okay, see, like long A and long E, here also we have some sounds of long I. What are they? We will pronounce all the words as I. Okay, the given 5 words, 5 sounds, we all the sounds will be pronounced like I. How? I. Okay, so here I dash E, that means I and E in between one word, one letter will come. Okay, that is also we are going to pronounce as I. Ike. If K comes in the middle means we will pronounce that word as Ike. Okay, like that. I and E, there will be one letter in between these two letters. Okay, let us see the examples of it. I will show you. Then this is the, wait, I'll point it out. This is I and it sounds I and dash E. So in between these two letters, one letter will be there in the middle. Okay, I will tell you the example. Next, Y. In the last, we will get some Y word. How we pronounce that word as I. Okay, I will tell you the example of it. Next, IGH. So this is also we are going to pronounce like I and IE. The same pronunciation I. Okay, IE we will pronounce like IE. I. Okay, children. So see some examples of the sounds. I told you no, one letter will be there in between these two letters. Time. So in between I and E. So in between I and E, there is a letter called M is there. So we call this sound as time. It sounds as time. I'm. So we are getting the sound of I. Long I. Time. 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 And then Line. Here also I is there, E is there. In between one letter is there, N. So we will pronounce this word like line. Shall you tell some more examples? We can say lime, like, 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 Lime, lime. Okay, so that is also sounds like I. Next, see Y. How we will sound this? See the words. S K Y. Sky. S K Y. Sky. So here at last the word Y is coming. How we will pronounce? Sky. The Y will change like I at last. And then next letter, next word Try. 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 Okay. Next sound IGH. IGH. How we will pronounce these? I. The same sound I. Long I will be like I only. Okay, the same word I sound we will get in the pronunciation of the word also. Light. So here IGH is coming no. So how we will pronounce? L I T. Light. L I T. Light. Okay. How we will pronounce this word? L I T. Light. Next see the word I, sigh, s, I, sigh. So one more word you can say like sight. 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 Might. Might. Okay, like that we can add some more words in this IGH. Okay. Next I E. How we will pronounce? Yes, like same sound I. IE will sound like I in the word like TIE. T I tie. T I tie. P I pie. P I pie. Okay. So these are the examples of sounds long I. How we will pronounce the long I sounds. Okay, I will tell you how we should pronounce the words. Do you understand this? Shall we go to the next page? So now with the help of these, we are going to see the activity. But in the activity that is very simple for you. No need to try much bigger. So it is very easy for you. See. Fill in the missing letters to complete the word. See how we are going to complete this word. See, first the picture has been given. What is this picture? Bike. So we are going to complete the word. So in the end they have given some word. We are going to add the word in front. So what we have to add? What is this picture? Bike. Very good. So we are going to write B-I. Bike. K-E. Bike. Okay. Next. What is this? Kite. So we are going to add K. I. Kite. Kite. So already they have given T-E. So we are going to add K-I. Okay. Kite. Third one. Tiger. What picture is this? This is tiger. Okay, so we are going to add just T I. Tiger. So what is the spelling for tiger? Tiger. Tiger. Next, ice cream. What is the first spelling here? I. Yes, we are going to add I in the first as a first word. ICE. Ice cream. Ice cream. Okay, next. What is this? Dice. D-I-C-E. Dice. So very easy only, no? We are not, no need to go for the tough words like IGHYIE. So they have given very easily. Next, fire. What is this picture? Fire. So we are going to write fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. So I will show you the answer page. You can complete it like this. B-I-K-E. Bike. K-I-T-E. Kite. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. ICECREAM. Ice cream. Dice. 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 Fire. 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 So fill in the missing letters. We have completed the missing letters to complete the word. Okay, now we all get the word. Okay, is this easy for you to say long I? How to pronounce long I? Can you know now? Very good, children. Now we are moving to the story reader 5. Can you all take story reader 5? Arun helps Amma. With the help of that book, we are going to read and know about the story. Are you all ready? Very good. So, what is the story name? Arun helps Amma. What is the story name? Arun helps Amma. So, Arun is going to help his mother. What happened? Why he is going to help his mother? Shall we see? Okay. See the next page. So here we can know who is Amma and who is Arun. Okay. Next, we are moving to the next page. See the first page. See, Arun is playing here with a toy, and his mother is sitting on the bed. What happened to her? She is wearing something on her head, forehead. Why? Yes, if we has fever means what we will do? We will put some wet cloth on our forehead, right? So I think his mother is also not feeling well. Let us check in the story. Okay, children. So all of you read along with me. Arun's Amma is sick. So what is mean by sick? Sick means she is not feeling well. His mother is not feeling well. She has fever. She has fever and is resting in bed. And is resting in bed. So only she is taking rest in the bed. Okay. Arun's father has gone to the office. So Arun's father where he went? He went to the office. So only Arun is there at home. Okay. Once again I'll read. Arun's father has gone to the office. Okay. Arun's sister has gone to visit her friend Salma. So Arun's sister, where she went? She has gone to visit her friend Salma. Okay. So she went to visit her friend, Arun's sister. Next page. Now, what is happening here? See the picture. So Arun is knowing that his mother is not feeling well. So what he is doing? He is taking the thermometer and checking his mother's temperature. Very good boy, no? Let us check. Arun wants Amma to get better. He fetches her some hot water. So what is happening here? Arun wants Amma to get better. Okay. So what he is doing now? He is taking the thermometer and checking his mother temperature. So he wants his mother to get better quickly. He fetches her some hot water. So he is going and bringing some hot water to her, to his mother. He fetches her some pills from the medicine cabinet. Okay, so and also he is taking some pills. What is meant by pills? Underline this word pills. Pills means tablets. Okay, we will take some tablets during the fever, no? Yes, like that. He is also bringing some pills to his mother and then he is giving that with the hot water, warm water. Okay, from the medicine cabinet. From the box, he is taking some tablets and then he is giving to his mother. What more can I do? He wonders. So now he wants to do something for his mother. So what he is going to do? Let us check in the next page. See, Arun has an idea. Arun has an idea. What is that idea? Where he is standing? Can you see the picture and say where he is standing? Some vessels are there, gas stove is there, oven is there, fridge is there. So what room might be is this? Yes, this is kitchen. Very good. So Amma always says a clean home is a happy home. So Amma always says a clean home is a happy home. So what he is going to do? Arun Arun goes into the kitchen. He wipes the counter. Oops. So he is standing in the kitchen and he is trying to clean the kitchen. Can you all see that? So he is trying to clean the kitchen. Some mess is there in the kitchen. So he is trying to clean that. Okay, some water he is spilling there. No worries. So he is trying to clean that. No. So he is a good boy. Do you all try that at your home when your mother is not feeling well? You also help your mother in some way. Okay, very good children. Next, he wipes the table. See, next in the living room or some room, he is started wiping the table. He tidies up his cupboard and bookshelf. So he already completed cleaning the bookshelf and cupboard. In the cupboard, some books are there, no? So he is completely tidy up the place. Yes or no? So tidy means what? He tidies up his cupboard. He is going to clean the cupboard. Okay, next he is moving to clean the table, wiping the table. What is meant by wiping? Rubbing like that. No. So what he is doing with the cloth? No, that is called wiping. See the next page. Once again, I'll read this page. He wipes the table. He tidies up his cupboard. Tidies means cleaning up. And bookshelf. Okay. Next page. Arun is hungry. Arun is hungry. After all the after all the work, he becomes very tired and hungry. He goes into the kitchen to make himself a jam sandwich. Maybe he should make one for Amma too. So Arun is hungry. After all the work, what happened? He becomes tired and he becomes hungry. He goes into the kitchen to make himself a jam sandwich. So, see on the table he kept some knife, bread, butter, jam is there on the table. So, he is going to prepare a jam sandwich. Maybe he should make one more for Amma too. So, not only for him, he is also going to make a sandwich to his mother. He is very good boy, no? So, we can clap for him. Very good, children. So, like that, you also help your mother. Whenever she is not feeling well, or your father, whenever he is not feeling well, you can help something to your parents. Whatever they needed, you can help them. Okay, children? Okay. So, on the table, he is keeping bread and jam. He is going to apply the jam using the knife. Here, you can use spoon. Instead of using knife, you can use the spoon. Okay, because you already know knife is a sharp object, so you should not touch that without the adult. So you are going to make the sandwich with the help of spoon. Okay, children? Very good. So last page. Amma, see. Amma walks into the kitchen. She hugs Arun for being a wonderful boy. So every mother like the child who is helping them, or otherwise also they will like you, but Even though when she is not feeling well, he is helping a lot, no? So Amma walks into the kitchen. She hugs Arun. What is meant by hugs? She is giving a hug like this. See how her mother is hugging the boy. So that is called hugging. She hugs Arun for being a wonderful boy. Arun is delighted to see Amma feeling much better, and she laughs. Okay, see, she is very happy now because her son Arun is helping her a lot, no? So she is very happy for that, and she is giving a hug, and she is smiling for what he done. Okay, children? So this is the end of the story. You can read the story once in your house. Tomorrow, in the next class, we will recap the story and we will do the activity 10.1 in Little Thinker book, 41 page number. We will do the activity in the next class. Okay, children? Thank you.